Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A scratch disk is a hard disk drive or SSD used for temporary storage while Photoshop is running. Photoshop uses this space to store portions of your documents, and their history panel states that don't fit in the memory or RAM of your machine.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Photoshop is a 64-bit native application, so it can handle as much memory as you have space for. More RAM will help when working with large images. Increasing this is probably the most effective way to accelerate Photoshop's performance. Photoshop's performance settings show you how much RAM is allocated to use.
Take our lead.
By default, Photoshop uses 70% of available RAM. Increase the RAM allocated to Photoshop by changing the value in the Let Photoshop Use box. Alternatively, adjust the memory usage slider. Restart Photoshop to enable your changes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.